Good morning. Morning. Sup. Guten Tag. Hey. Good morning. We all make first impressions. And fair or not, they make a difference. With the start of the school year approaching, spend a little bit of time thinking about the first impressions that you'll make on directors, coaches, and most importantly, teachers. Chances are you may want to dress for success, or frankly to look cool to kids in your class. But one of the first impressions that matters is how you present yourself to the classroom and to those teachers who have a lot to say about your success in school. You also want to think about how prepared you are. If you show up without a pencil or a notebook for your history class, chances are that's not really going to impress your teacher. Try to adjust your time schedule so you don't show up like a zombie and fall asleep during the first period class. For any first assignment, do your best to do your best. If you nail an A on that first essay, chances are the second one can be kind of weak and you're still going to get the benefit of the doubt. Where if your first essay is pretty slipshod and really not your best work, you're going to have to work overtime to work your way back up to a level where you want to be. So it's a great opportunity with the start of the school year, do a little bit of planning, a little bit of rehearsing, and make a killer first impression to have a really successful year.